Welcome to May, ladies and gentlemen. I have your 3 challenges for the month. First and foremost, I want you to travel to some place that you've never been before. Now, it can be extremely easy. It doesn't have to be a new country. It doesn't have to be a tropical destination or a paradise. It can just be anywhere that you've never been. That is your life goal for the month of May. Number 2, your trading challenge is when you get to that place that you've never been to before, I want you to trade there. Tell your brain that freedom is possible. Opportunities are endless and abundance is everywhere. And then, of course, your physical challenge for the month of May, I want you to work out and go on a nice, long, frothy run while you're at that place that you've never been to before in your entire life. The goal is to create a life that you never need a vacation from. I love you all so much. Enjoy the month of May.